Hey everyone, it's Lindsay with Ellie and Mac sewing pattern. I just got the Baby Lock Brilliant and I am so excited. You guys probably get tired of hearing me say I'm so excited about getting things, but I don't know about you, sewing tools really make me excited. It's the one thing that I feel like I really love to do besides reading. And so when I get a new book, I get the same feeling. And when I get new sewing fabric or tools or anything related to that, I get excited. How about you? Do you have things that you get excited about besides sewing, or do you relate that getting sewing stuff is really exciting? Many of you already know that I love Baby Lock sewing machines. I've used them for over 20 years. I've always had them. They never have sponsored me in the past, anything like that. I just really loved the quality of the Baby Lock sewing machines. So I've always had the Baby Lock Anna, which is no longer available. They have different models that do the same thing. So I had decided a couple months ago that I was going to look at the different models to kind of upgrade and get something new that has a little bit more to offer than my Anna. My Anna is just a very basic sewing machine. It has the dial that you turn to get the stitches you need, but it is just such an amazing quality machine that I just didn't feel the need to do anything else. So with the Brilliant, it's going to offer me so many more stitch options. There's a wider amount of space between the needle and the machine, as well as just the arm itself being longer. And I feel like that's going to allow me to make bags and crafts easier because I'll have more space to kind of move things around. So Baby Lock decided to send this to me. They know that I love their product and they know that I love to share that with you all. So they sent me this machine and I get to share it with you and show you all the cool things it will do, as well as just fall in love with it like I did the others. So I am welcoming the Brilliant into my sewing machine family and we will see what we think about it. Let's get it out. Wow, can you believe that? This looks like a spaceship compared to my Anna. I mean, I know things have like improved and gotten better over the years, but this is a sleek, beautiful looking machine. And no offense to my Anna, who is beautiful in her own right, but wow, like this just looks so impressive. It was packaged really well and there's all this stuff that came with it. So this is the knee lifter. So when you have, like, my table's in standing height right now, but when I put my table down and I have it in like a seated position, I can actually like use my knee to lift the presser foot when this is attached. And it attaches in this hole. And you just push it in. It's very easy to put in there. You just push it in and then it's in there, and you can use it then to lift the presser foot up and down without using your hands. That's really cool. This is a foot pedal. Like my Anna uses a foot pedal. I think all of my machines do. I know there's some machines that you just push a button and it like goes forward and goes back and you don't have to use the pedal. But I think because I learned with the pedal and I know like how much to press and the control aspect, I wonder if I would prefer this over like a push button. Let me know what you think. Do you like to use the foot pedal, or do you prefer like pushing the button and just going? I can see the benefits of both. I just wonder what I'll think since it's different. You get a cover, which is nice so you don't get all dusty. Your power cable. This one I'm not sure about, but I will figure it out and let you know. Of course, you always get like your little bag of tools and feet that are other attachments. And then the thing I really wanted a different machine for, because I'd heard everybody talking about their walking foots. My machine didn't have a walking foot and there wasn't a compatible one. at least that I found. There might have been if I had searched more, but anyway, so I really wanted one that had a walking foot. So I'm really excited. I know this is gonna help keep things from shifting as I'm sewing them. So look forward to showing you how that works. And then your needles, anything that you need as little tools and feet attachments for your machine are in here. And I love that they come in a bag. I keep my bag of tools, like there's a little pouch on the side of my table, and I just keep them all there, and it's really easy and accessible just to get what I need when I need it and then put it back away. Then of course you get the sewing manual. They also sent me the Love Sewing membership. Let's just see what it is. I don't want to tell you the wrong thing. It's kind of cool actually. Like, it comes with a card so you can access the class. It comes with this little certificate of membership. You get this membership card and like a little sticker you can put on your machine so you know when your next service should be. And then this is actually an education course, so you can learn all about your machine and how it works. So I'm definitely going to utilize that because I recently just bought the camera that I'm making this video on, and it's a little hard to use, right? If it's new and you're just trying to get used to it, it's tricky. So I think having this whole course will be fantastic. So now I just gotta find one for the camera and I'll be all set. But anyways, I just wanted to show you the machine and that I'm so excited about it, and I can't wait to really get to working with it and kind of see what it does and how I like it. If it's just as hardy as the Anna, I assume it will be. I haven't had any issues with any of my machines. They've been just fantastic. So if you are interested in babylock, you are welcome to check them out. I do have a link in the video, and if not, and you just want to learn about it and watch me use it, that's totally fine too. I'm just excited to share it with you. I hope you had fun. It's a little bit of a different video, but I enjoyed showing you, so thanks for hanging out with me. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Comment below any questions you have. I'm happy to answer them. I look forward to hanging out with you again soon. Until next time.